Hi everybody, if you're struggling with neck pain, I want to show you 3 techniques that you can use to alleviate the tightness, mobilize it, and strengthen it so that your pain doesn't come back. It's really important that even if we don't have pain, that we learn some mobilization techniques for our neck and for other joints in the body. So I hope these 3 techniques that I'll teach you now are helpful. The first technique is what I like to call the yes, no, and maybe. So the movements we're going to do are a slow and controlled yes, no, a large slow range, and a maybe. So what we're looking to do, sit up straight with the posture, shoulders back, nice and relaxed, and just let the head drop down, keeping the chest where it is so we don't drop the mid back, chin down to the chest, and then lift up, looking up to the ceiling, and just slowly, 2 minutes, go between those points. After 2 minutes, come into maybe, tilting the left ear all the way to the left shoulder without hitching up the opposite or meeting it with that left shoulder. Keep the shoulders both down and relaxed, and we'll tilt over to both sides. Again, 2 minutes, tilting, feeling that stretch in the opposing side as it stretches over, and then we'll move on to nose. Get the chin right over the shoulder, keeping the head upright, avoiding tilting back. And again, don't move the shoulders to meet the chin. Rotate the head from side to side. 2 minutes, getting to the maximal point, feeling the stretch, and then coming back. So following on from the mobilization techniques we've done, we're going to add a little bit of an active stretch onto it. Now we've got some blood flow from the yes, no, and maybes. So we'll do the same muscles that we mobilized for the previous exercises, but we'll add a little bit of weight assisted from our hands. So if you interlock the fingers nice and gently, place the hands on the back of the head and just let the weight of your arms naturally pull the head down. We're not pulling actively with our arms, we're just letting the weight of our arms relax on the back of the head, and you'll feel a stretch come onto the muscles on the back of the neck. Just hold this here in a nice relaxed position for 90 seconds, and then slowly take the hands off and let the weight of the head itself pull itself back up. Second stretch is grabbing the hand on the opposite side of the head with this shoulder, let it relax down towards the floor, and again with the weight of your arm, just let it naturally pull the head over. I'm not grabbing or pulling, just letting the weight of that arm pull, and you'll feel a stretch coming into the elongating trapezius muscle as it lengthens. Hold that there for 90 seconds, gently let go of the hand, let the head pull back up. Lastly, what I'd like to show you is using a small resistance band, 2 strength exercises, the muscles that surround the neck, to help mobilize them by increasing strength, but also by increasing strength, what it will do is it will allow your neck to be held in a stronger position so that hopefully the pain and tightness created from bad posture or previous injuries can be alleviated. First of these exercises is to strengthen your trapezius, or upper trapezius. Now, if you get the band, have it so that your arm is straight and the band is just touching the floor. Pop your foot through the loop, stand up tall, grabbing tight with your hand on the band. We're then going to do a single shoulder raise up to the ear and back down again. Find a resistance where repeating 20 slow and controlled repetitions, you can feel an engagement of that upper trapezius muscle. Quite often we find that this muscle is undertrained. It might feel tight, might feel like it needs to be released. Quite often I find with clients this muscle is tight because it's weak. So go through 20 repetitions, rest for 1 minute, and then repeat it twice more, 20 and a minute rest. The next exercise is called a face pull. What you'll do is attach onto a hook at home, or if in a gym you can find an upright. You can either use the band or you can use a cable pulley machine. And we want to strengthen the muscles of the mid to lower traps and your rhomboids. And that just helps to keep your chest up and your shoulders back, which also means it will have a resulting effect of pulling your chin back, which takes away the strain and weight going into your neck. So in this position, you want to have your arms straight, your shoulders back and down, and we'll pull the elbows back and pull the hands apart. And as you pull the hands apart, we want to think about our shoulders pinning together and squeezing towards each other. For this one, we'll do another 20 repetitions, big squeeze and hold for a second, and then retract the arms back. Keep the hands apart from each other and pull. Nice and slow and controlled movements for 20 reps. Rest for 1 minute and repeat twice more through. What you want is to feel an engagement, a burning sensation on that rhomboid upper mid-back area, and that will just help to strengthen and increase your posture. Let me know how this video has helped you. I'd advise to do the neck mobilisation techniques every day and add the strengthening exercises in about 2-3 times a week.